Over the past year, I've helped thousands of tech professionals just like you become the AI expert at work, dramatically boosting their confidence with AI and their respect in the workplace. Many have even gotten promoted or landed offers at companies like AMD and Amazon. In this video, I'm going to go over our 3-week system to help you become the AI expert on your team without wasting time on useless certifications or having to keep up with all the latest AI hype. But in order for that system to make sense, I first have to tell you a story. Let me take you back to the moment that changed everything for me. I was working at Amazon as a software engineer. From the outside, it looked like I was crushing it. A good salary, a prestigious role on an AWS team, surrounded by people way smarter than me. But inside, I felt like a fraud. Every day I'd hear, AI is the future, but I had no idea how any of it actually worked. My coworkers were talking about LLMs as if they had built ChatGPT themselves. There was that one guy, you probably know someone like him, who read a blog post on Transformers and now somehow everyone thinks he's the AI expert. The guy who never shuts up in meetings, the guy who got invited to present to leadership and somehow has security, influence, and respect. Meanwhile, I was quietly Googling what Transformers were and hoping no one would ask me about vector databases. And maybe that's where you are right now. You've been in tech for a while, you're good at what you do, but now, everywhere you look, someone is saying AI is the future. You don't know where to start. You're tired of hearing about another useless certification. Management keeps saying they want to leverage AI, but you know they're completely clueless. You sit in meetings that should have been emails, listen to coworkers, go in circles about basic concepts, and somehow they're the ones getting ahead. Then there's the personal stuff, trying to balance your life while also getting ahead in your career. You want to do meaningful work you're proud of, but you're stuck fixing pointless bugs, planning sprints, and pretending to care about whatever issues blowing up today. And underneath all of that, the quiet, lingering fear of layoffs. Because you know if your company decides to reorg, they're keeping the people who can bring real business value. And these days, that means people working on AI or AI adjacent products. You might have already tried to fix this. Maybe you signed up for one of those certs everyone's always talking about on LinkedIn. Maybe you watched hours of lectures only to forget everything the next day. Or you downloaded a Udemy course that seemed promising, but didn't seem to get you anywhere. If that's where you are right now, I want you to know something. It's not your fault. You've been given horrible advice. You were told to just get certifications even though nobody actually cares. You were told to keep up with all the latest trends even though 99% of it is just BS hype. You were told to read white papers even though no one has explained why they matter or how they connect to your role. So it's no wonder you feel overwhelmed. But here's the truth I discovered during my time at Amazon and when I landed multiple offers from self-driving startups in the Bay Area. First, you don't need a PhD to become the AI expert on your team. Second, you don't need to grind months of irrelevant content. And third, you don't even need to keep up with all the hype because most of it is BS. All you need is the right system, a focused system. And that's what we've built, a 3-week system. It's the same one I used to finally understand LLMs, the same one that countless professionals have used to land offers from AMD, Amazon, and more, and the same one that you can use to become the AI expert on your team, even if you have no experience with AI. In fact, here are a few professionals who have gone through our system and have achieved everything we're talking about here today. Shekhar had some experience, but still felt like he was falling behind. He was tired of feeling like an outsider whenever AI came up in meetings. In week 1 of our system, he finally understood Transformers, the core model behind ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and every major LLM today. That week gave him the clarity he needed. It gave him the confidence. Ultimately, he landed an offer from AMD. Chang was in a similar boat. He was a talented engineer, but when it came to LLMs, he was feeling overwhelmed. In week 2, we taught him how to fine-tune open source LLMs for industry-specific use cases. We're talking about healthcare chatbots, financial document automation, things that actually have enterprise value. Week 2 gave him so much clarity that he nailed his interviews and landed an offer from Amazon. And now he's making more money than he ever has before. And then there's Boris Minardis, a researcher at one of the top AI startups in the world. After reviewing our Week 3 material, which breaks down cutting-edge research papers in a way that's actually understandable, he endorsed our curriculum as one of the most comprehensive summaries of modern LLMs that he has ever seen. You don't need more hype, you don't need more jargon. You just need a system that gives you what actually matters in a way that fits into your life. Because here's the truth. You don't need to be the next Elon Musk. You just need the respect you deserve. You want to sit in a meeting and be the one people actually look to, the one your manager calls on for AI integrations. And more than anything, you want to reclaim your time so you can stop scrolling on LinkedIn and reading random Medium articles. So you can excel at work, feel confident, and then shut off your laptop and enjoy life. That's the real dream, right? To feel intelligent, respected, and secure without sacrificing everything else. That's what the 3-week system is designed to give you. This is a focused, no BS system for busy tech professionals. You can go through it on your own schedule, even with a 9-to-5 job, a partner, or a kid running around in the background. And once you complete it, you'll never look at AI the same way again. You'll be the person people go to for guidance. You'll be the one your manager trusts for the next initiative. You'll have the confidence to speak up, contribute, and even lead AI projects. We've had professionals land raises, promotions, even new offers, all giving them more autonomy and flexibility in their lives. All because they stopped waiting, took action, and became the AI expert on their team. So if that's what you want and you're ready to move fast, then I invite you to book a free strategy call with me. On the call, I'll understand your current role and background, pinpoint exactly where AI could fit into your career path, and see if our 3-week system can help you become the AI expert on your team faster than you ever thought possible. There's no pressure, just a chance to get clarity and see if this is a good fit for you. Click the button below to book your free call now. Spots fill up quickly, and we only work with professionals who are serious about stepping up. So if you're ready, let's make you the AI expert. Again, countless professionals just like you have already taken this first step. So scroll down below and book a time. I'm excited to chat with you. Best case scenario, we chat, our system is a right fit for you, and in 3 weeks, you're the AI expert at work. Worst case scenario, our system isn't the right fit, but I can still point you in the right direction. Again, book your call below, and I look forward to chatting soon.